Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Telegram app. To know how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Telegram, you should just go to enter here to settings. Then you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on Telegram and you can click this page. As you see, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will go to enter here to storage. You will click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find your update, you can update your app, and if it's not working with you, you can announce your app, then you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.